Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fund your Metatrader 5 account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 5 app, and now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metatrader 5 apps on the screen, where you can see there is a settings option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that settings option. Now you can see there is a new account, and also you can see there is a username right above of this new account. So you can select any of them because the process is going to be same. So let me tap on that new account option. Now you can see there is a meta course, which basically means for a demo account. And make sure you have a broker account and you have funded your broker account through your banking credentials or your credit card. So you simply need to tap on the search bar, and now you need to search for your broker account in here. So let's say I have an account on Capital. So let me type a Capital in search bar. Now you can see there are tons of brokers in here. So let's say I have an account on the first one. So let me tap on the very first one, which is Capital Futures Corp. Now you can see it is asking us for our login ID and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply confirm it, and yeah, you will be able to fund your Metatrader 5 account successfully. And by chance, if you have forgotten your user ID or password of your broker account, then simply tap on the forgot passwords on in the screen, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully if you have verified yourself. So basically this is how you can fund your Metatrader 5 account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.